Algorand value equivalent to $0.781 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $748 $1.816. The earlier day close $1.806. The change was 0 to 5, 138%. Backwards rate US to Algo. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 10,000 coins. Excessive cost 10,000, while low 7,692. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 906. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 8th and 33. Change for August 16.7%. US to Algo expectation for September 2024. In the first place cost at 8,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 8,333, while low 6,667. The found the middle value of cost 7,619. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 7,143. Change for September 14.3%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 7,143 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,143, while low 6,250. The found the middle value of cost 6,801. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 6,667. Change for October 6.7%. US to Algo expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 6,667 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,667, while low 5,556. The found the middle value of cost 6,193. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 5,1882. Change for November 11.8%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for December 2024. To start with cost at 5,882 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 4,762. The found the middle value of cost 5,382. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 5,000. Change for December 15%. US to Algo expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 5,000 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 4,545. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,927. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 4,762. Change for January 4.8%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at 4,762 coins. Excessive cost 4,762, while low 4,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,468. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 4,348. Change for February 8.7%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 4,348 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,5045, while low 3,846. The found the middle value of cost 4,227. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4,167. Change for spring 4.2%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 4,348, while low 3,704. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,055. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 4,000. Change for April 4%. US to Algo expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 4,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,167, while low 3,571. The found the middle value of cost 3,896. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3,846. Change from May 3.9%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,846 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,000, while low 3,4048. The found the middle value of cost 3,750. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3,704. Change for June 3.7%. US to Algo expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 3,704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,846, while low 3,333. The found the middle value of cost 3,614. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3,571. Change for July 3.6%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at 3,571 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,226. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,487. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3,4048. Change for August 3.4%. Us to Algo expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 3,704, while low 3,226. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,457. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3,4048. Change for September 0%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 3,4048 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,4048, while low 2,778. They found the middle value of cost 3,154. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,841. Change for October 14.7%. US to Algo expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2,841 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 2,9941. They found the middle value of cost 3,259. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 3,448. Change for November 17.2%. Dollar to Algorand figure for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 4,5045, while low 3,448. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,902. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 4,167. Change for December 29%. US to Algo expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 4,167 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,5045, while low 3,846. They found the middle value of cost 4,181. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 4,167. Change for January's own percent. Dollar to Algorand gauge for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 4,167, while low 3,333. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,810. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 3,571. Change for February 14.3%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else, cost at 3,571 coins. Excessive cost 4,545, while low 3,571. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,964. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 4,167. Change for spring 16.7%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for April 2026. At the outset, cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 4,167, while low 3,571. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,938. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 3,846. Change for April 7.7%. US to Algo expectation for May 2026. To start with, cost at 3,846 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,000.